Just installed the LEPOWER solar powered security light. 1600 LM, beam angle of 120 degrees, motion detection zone 180 degrees, 0 to 72 feet. And I'm going to have it pointing towards the back and the front. It's very light. It went up extremely easy. Underneath the round portion of the base, there's a plate. Just slides on and off. 4 screws, 2 screws to mount the solar panel. It looks like a heavy duty piece, but it's very, very light. It's January 1st, 2020. So this will be a good test to see how long this thing lasts and how well it works in the hot South Florida sun. It's pointed basically southwest, or I would say more west-southwest. See how it holds up. Tonight will be the first test.